If you're trying to figure out how to recover deleted photos from an SD card on Mac, then you're in the right place. And yes, there's a very good chance that those photos are still recoverable even if you've emptied the recycle bin. But before we dive in, be sure to grab Wondershare Recoverit from the link in the description down below. It's free to try and I'll walk you through the entire recovery process. Now, let's get into the video. But now here is the good news, because when your Mac deletes a photo from an SD card, it doesn't really delete the data immediately. It just marks the space as available, and until something new is written over it, well, the photos are still sitting there just waiting to be found again. So what does this mean? Well, it means that the golden rule is to stop writing new files into that SD card. So eject the card, leave it alone, and only use it again to follow the steps that I'm about to explain in this video. Now let's open Wondershare Recoverit, and once again the link is in the description to download it for free. Then insert your SD card into your Mac using a card reader or the slot in the laptop itself. The card needs to be physically connected for Recoverit to detect it. On the left panel under SD card recovery, click your SD card. It will appear by its drive name or volume label. Then let's scan the SD card. So hit the blue start button and Recoverit will begin a quick scan first. Now this takes just a couple of seconds and often finds the majority of deleted photos right away. But if you need to go deeper, it automatically continues into a deep scan, which is thorough enough to reassemble scattered image fragments. You can pause or resume the scan at any point. You don't have to wait for it to finish completely before previewing results. And then, well, you can preview and recover, so use available search filters to pinpoint specific SD card files you wish to recover. Click any thumbnail to preview the full image before you recover it. So once you've confirmed your photos look intact, select the ones you want, and then click recover and save them to your Mac's internal drive. Never back to the SD card that you're recovering from. Recoverit supports over 1,000 file formats, so whether you shoot on JPEGs, PNGs, or RAW files from Canon, Nikon, Sony, or Fuji cameras, everything is covered. And that's all it takes, 3 very simple steps to get all those deleted photos from an SD card back to your Mac system. Now, the free trial for Wondershare Recoverit covers up to 500 megabytes, which is often enough to get all those vacation shots you've accidentally deleted. So before you spend any cent, you can try it for free using the link in the description down below. And if this video helped you in any way, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Mac tips and tutorials just like this. If you encounter any other issues, Mac related or Windows related, then drop in the comments down below. We'll read through them and respond as soon as possible. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye and have some fun.